So when the EcoOasis team gets together, we're always looking for new places to inspire us. When we have business meetings, we don't want to just sit around in an office. We want to go to spots that are going to expand our beings and enliven our creativity. Today we're going to take you to a couple of our local waterfalls that are truly amazing. They're 10 minutes from where we live and work, and they truly do inspire us. So come on with us and let's go on an adventure.
To the top of the mountain, I see everything. I am everything. Don't knock me off. Don't knock me off. He's going to the mountaintop. I'm going up. He's going to the mountaintop. I'm going up. He's going to the mountaintop. I'm going up. He's going to the mountaintop. I'm going down. He's going to the mountaintop. I'm going up. He's going to the mountaintop. I'm going up. He's going to the mountaintop. I'm going up. He's going to the mountaintop.
So I hope today's journey inspired you and encourages you that next time you're going to get together with the group for a business meeting, find somewhere amazing. Go out, get outside, interact with nature. It makes a huge difference in how things come together in our world. Thank you so much, as always, for helping us spread permaculture around the planet. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and we'll see you again soon.